Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today, I will show you how to use the various storage integrations available in Titan Flow. I will be demonstrating two of them, Google Drive and Amazon S3, but the process is very similar for any storage platform you choose. Over here in Titan Flow, if we head over to Integrations, you'll see we have the option to integrate with Google Drive, Amazon S3, OneDrive, Box.com, Dropbox, your own custom FTP server, and you can even send files over your own API. So if we head over to our Titan dashboard and go over to Settings, you'll see over here we have Integration. This is where you manage your third-party integration. So you can see currently I'm authenticated with Amazon and Salesforce, and if we head down here, you can see I'm not authenticated with Google. So in today's video, I'm going to actually start with Google where I'm not authenticated, but I'm going to authenticate through Titan Flow. For this flow, I am going to create an input file, and I am going to create a variable to hold my link in Google Drive. And over here, I'm going to search for Google Drive. And since I'm not authenticated, I will be presented with this screen requesting me to authenticate. So let me do that real quick. And there we go. Can hit next. And I will just grab an ID of a Google Drive folder. So I have this folder over here, and I will grab the folder ID and paste it under ID for folder. And under files to upload, I'm going to select our input file, and I'm going to choose to store the link in our link variable. So let's just call this that. And I want to add also a finish node because I want to actually return this link to a web project. So I'm going to add that, and we have finished. And that's all of my flow done. So I will head over to a web project. I'm just going to save and publish here, where I have a file uploader, URL field, and a button, which we will now configure to trigger our flow. So I'm going to search for the flow node. I'm going to select it, untick run in background, so we see the loading bar. And for parameters, under input file, I'm going to select our file uploader. And for return parameters, I have a global variable here set up called gdrivelink, which I will be feeding with the link from our flow, and this will then place the value in the URL field, which we have over on our page. So we can save and preview this, and let's just get Google Drive over here where we have nothing. And if I select an image and call our flow, you can see if we head over to Google Drive, firstly, we have the image over here, and we also get a link directly to our image. There it is. So back over here, I'm going to close this project here. We can leave this image here, and I'm going to set up the same thing just with Amazon S3. So let's remove both of these nodes. Now, as you saw earlier, I am already authenticated with Amazon. So if we just go ahead and add a new node, we should be able to directly access this. So I will just fill out this information. And under files to upload, I'm going to select once again our input file. And under store link to, link. And once we're done, we can once again use the finish node to send back the link. And if we save and publish this and head back to the same web project, since we still have the same input and output, we don't have to change anything over here, and head to preview. Once again, we can select a file to upload. And if we head over here to document repository, you can see we have our image right in here. And that's how it's done.